Hello, today we will guide you through how to make money selling AI art on Payhip. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have created an AI-generated image and listed it as a digital product ready for sale on Payhip. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. This is where you'll create your artwork. In the prompt box, type a clear, specific description of the image you want. The more detail you provide, the better the result. Include the subject, style, mood, color palette, and any composition notes like portrait orientation or high detail. Generate a few variations and review them. Look for clean lines, good lighting, and overall coherence. When you're happy with one, click Download and save the file to a folder you can easily find later. It's a good idea to keep file names descriptive so you can track versions. If you plan to sell widely, avoid prompts that reference trademarks or recognizable people. Now head to Payhip. From your dashboard, click on Products. This is your catalog area where all your listings live. Next, click Add New Product. You'll see options for different product types. Choose Digital Product since you are selling a downloadable image file. This ensures customers receive the file instantly after purchase. On the product page, click Upload Product File. Browse to the image you just downloaded from Gemini and select it. PNG or high-quality JPG works well for most art. If you created a large print-ready version, upload that for maximum value. Just make sure the dimensions and file size are appropriate for your buyers. Enter a clear, compelling title. Aim for something that quickly communicates the subject and style, such as the theme, aesthetic, and use case. This helps buyers find and understand your art at a glance. Then, set your price. Consider the image's quality, uniqueness, and resolution. If it's suitable for printing or commercial use, you can price it higher. You can always adjust pricing later based on demand and feedback. When everything looks good, click Add Product. Payhip will save your listing and make it available for purchase. Take a moment to preview the product page to ensure the image displays correctly and the title and price appear as intended. From here, you can enhance your listing over time with a strong description and relevant tags to improve discoverability, and you can share your product link wherever your audience is most active. That's it. You've created an AI artwork with Google Gemini, uploaded it to Payhip as a digital product, and published it for sale. Great job, and happy selling.